Hey guys, what's up? I just got this under the desk elliptical and thought I would just open it up with you so we can take a look at it together and see what all comes with this. If there's anything we need to put together, we'll just kind of take a look at that. Looks like we have a power cord, user manual, and some batteries that come with this remote, which is cool. It's nice that I don't have to go digging up any batteries. Let's see what we have on here. Start, stop, direction. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even think about doing it backward. That's awesome. Okay. And then we have, looks like the full piece in here. Everything was pretty well packaged. And let's open this up and take a look. So when I go to the gym, the elliptical is my favorite. I've been doing it for years. It really helped me to improve my cardio, and I now work from home and I'm sitting at my desk for such a long portion of the day. I don't always get a chance to go to the gym, and I wanted something that was going to allow me to get some kind of a workout in while I'm sitting all day. So this is looking pretty cool. Okay, on this side here we have where we're going to put the plug and then the power button. And looks pretty straightforward. Looks like this is some sort of digital display. The feet kind of go up and down like this, and then they seem to have like some sort of roller on here. It feels like a wheel. Everything feels pretty well made. Let's go ahead and plug it in, since it looks like we don't really have to put anything together, and see if we can operate this without the remote, or if we need to use the remote to get it going. Let's just have a good look here. We'll open this up. Okay. Feels pretty heavy duty, which I like. Just feels like it's well made, which is cool. So let me go ahead and set this down. Sorry if the camera is swinging around. Let me just plug this in. Okay, we've got it plugged in. Let's flip that power switch back here. The little red light comes on, you can see that there. All right, then on here, it looks like we have start and stop, mode, function, direction. Let's just click start. And mode. Whoa. So that's kind of cool. It'll pedal. I guess it like keeps your feet moving even if like you're not forcing the pedal, which is kind of cool. I know it's hard for me to like concentrate on doing two things at once, so if it's doing it for me, that's really nice. It's got a calorie counter. Let's see, P2, P3. Let's change the direction. Oh, and then it starts going backward. Okay. Super easy. I like that there's a remote. I don't honestly know how necessary that is, because it's not that hard to just like bend down and hit a button. But let's see how fast this will go. Oh, wow. It's really getting up there. Whoa. Okay, so 12 is the top speed, and that is pretty fast. Let's see. If we hit function, time. Oh, so this will let us see like speed, counter, calorie, scan time, distance, So lots of different options for depending on what you want to view there. Let's go ahead and slow this back down. Okay, well, pretty easy to use straight out of the box. I'm so excited to have this under my desk, and I'll do an update after I've used it for a while to let you guys know how it's going. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.